Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I am excited about today's video. You guys know this already from the thumbnail, but I am going to be opening my June Boxyluxe. I was in a little bit of a moody mood today, and then I saw that this was slated to arrive. So I literally saw the delivery truck pulling away and went down and picked up this package so that I could film this. And for you guys, this is yesterday because I'm going to be posting this on Wednesday, but I get to treat myself to presents, and I have not been spoiled at all for what is in here. So this big box of fun is going to be a total surprise to me. I'm just gonna reach in and grab things so that I am not spoiling myself. I don't feel a card anywhere, but it feels like a bunch of stuff is in a bag. Okay, let me just start grabbing things. I feel a spray bottle, I feel like. Ooh, okay, so this is from Co Roma, which I've not heard of before. It is Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist Radiant Dew. So it sounds like sort of a spritz during the day. I'm not sure if it's a finishing spray or a setting spray or just a refresher, but I am up for that. It has winter black truffle, rosemary, ginger, peppermint, rose, refreshing, increases radiance while rebalancing skin's pH, tightening pores, and setting makeup. Okay, so it's a makeup setter. Shake well before it's used to activate the botanical extracts. I'm just gonna spray it to see what it smells like and try not to hit my camera and stuff. That does smell very botanical. I think I like it. It's different. It's a much more like gingery, rosemary, like that kind of thing going on. Okay, that's interesting. And especially because I've never heard of this brand before, I am excited to try that out. What's the next thing I got here? Well, what is this bag thing? This feels like some kind of utensil. What does it say on it? Honestly, I have no idea. I feel like there's a Y and a T, but I don't know. Is it this way? I really don't know what that is supposed to say. But there's a bunch of different things in here. I feel like it's gonna be, oh, it is a travel hairdryer. Whoa. There we go. Oh my God, that is the tiniest little hairdryer. I guess it's PYT? Honestly, I don't know. I have been using the same hairdryer for, I want to say 20 years. So this is nice. It's got a nice silicone feel to it. And it's very tiny. Just 2 settings on there. It seems to be able to change between voltages, so very much good for traveling. Awesome, and I think it has different attachments for it too, which is what I was feeling. So, okay, PYT, pretty young thing. That does not look like a P. Mini Turbo on-the-go dryer. Lots of little safety directions that I'm just throwing out of the way. So yeah, there's a little diffuser, and then I'm gonna guess the other one is, yeah, concentrating one, because I tend to have straight hair, except I've curled it right now. This is always the attachment that I use. That's kind of cool. That I feel that will be very useful. That may even become just my regular hair dryer, quite honestly. The other one is starting to get like a smell like hair is burning when I use it, which probably isn't great. Okay, so there's that. Let's see what we got next. This feels like maybe a lip product. Okay, this is from Dominique Cosmetics by Christian Dominique. I feel like that is a fellow YouTuber. I feel like I should know that. So this is, what is this? It's a lip product of some kind, but it doesn't really say, but it's in the shade Strawberry Lemonade, which sounds delicious and delightful. I'm gonna have to destroy the box a little bit to get this out, unfortunately. There we go. Okay. So I guess they're all lemonade. It says lemonade on there and then DC. And this looks very much like a gloss, and I'm really hoping it smells like strawberry lemonade. Not not so much. It's got kind of a sweet smell, but lip gloss, I'm getting so much lip gloss lately. We seem to really come around from the matte liquid lips to like gloss, gloss, gloss. And honestly, I quite like that. I prefer glosses. I just find I don't wear them that much on camera because they just make my lips look odd on camera. But I really do love having them. And I like the shape of this. It's like, you know, a usual tube, but it's got sort of that pointy bit at the end. Just give it a little something special, which is nice. Okay, I'm gonna move this out of the way. There's definitely something palette-like in here. There's also a spray bottle. So what's this? Wow, okay, Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast Instant Lasting Volume and Texture Styling and Finishing Spray. That is awesome. I think Living Proof is one of those pricier brands. I know I've seen it at Sephora. And I don't think this is a dry shampoo. I think it's a dry texturizing spray, but honestly, when I have looks like this going on, my hair is flat, flat, flat. Like in some ways, I'm very lucky in that if I get out of the shower, do nothing with my hair at all, it just dries like stick straight. But when I want to have a little bit more curl going on, I do like having a little bit more volume. So I'm excited to try this because I don't think I've tried anything from them before. So far I'm really excited with everything that we are getting in the Boxyluxe. Another tubey thing. So let's see what this is. What is this? Okay, this is something from Trestique. I've tried their stuff before. If I remember properly, I really like their products. I just feel like they tend to be a little pricey. I have no idea what this one is. Oh, Good Vibes Mascara. Oh, wow. Okay, this says flip down to curl. So this seems to be half mascara, half eyelash curler. That is a really weird looking eyelash curler. Pull off clear capped excess, half curler. Press down along lash line and hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Move across lashes to get desired curl. Twist off top for volumizing mascara. Apply as desired. Whoa, that is so weird. Let's take a look at this. So there's 2 ends of this. I don't quite know yet how you get at, oh, weird. This is the mascara and the curler is the head of the wand. And then this, flip down to curl, is your very tiny curler that you could get some of your lashes into, I guess. It's interesting because I would say that this is good for travel, but it's quite thick. Like, I feel like if you made this with a very small it's unique, it is innovative. I can try it and see how this goes because I have never seen a lash curler set up like that before. So I feel like I'm leaving the palette till last, right? Sure. This feels like skincare, it's a squeezy tube, but what do we got here? Dr. Brandt. I do like Dr. Brandt products, some of them. Hit and miss for me. Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. Interesting. For all skin types, pH Balanced Yogurt Cleaner. Apply on damp skin, gently massage to rid skin of excess oil, makeup pollution, and everyday grime. Use AM and PM. I just finished doing one test of a cleanser, but I am more than happy to try another one. Get some yogurt on my face. I feel like there's 3 more products. I feel like we're getting a lot in here. What do we got here? Okay, Touch and Soul. I've tried their primer before. Their No Problem Primer. This is the No Problem Prime Essence. Calendula Officinalis Flower Extract. Okay, so it's a priming extract. Prime Essence infused with Calendula Officinalis flower extract tightens up the pores and keeps the skin silky and smooth for better long-lasting makeup. Interesting, the No Problem one, it was just okay. I don't think it did a huge amount for me, but now we've got another primer to test. Okay, what is this little boxy box? Oh, Pharmacy. Oh, wow. Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum with hydrating honey and gentle flower acids. Also, interestingly, it says made exclusively for Boxycharm, so I wonder if they're getting it out there this way first. It's a powerful multi-correctional night serum that resurfaces skin for a smoother, youthful-looking, glowing complexion. Formulated with 14% AHA, BHA flower acids to exfoliate and a proprietary honey blend to hydrate. Apply a generous layer to clean skin at night, avoiding eyes and lips. Use 2 to 3 times a week, so not every night. Allow product to dry and follow with sleep-tight, firming night balm if additional moisture is desired. Slight tingling may be experienced. That's a little worrisome. Let's see what this looks like. The only Pharmacy product I've tried was the cleansing balm, and I really enjoyed that. And this seems like a good size of product. So it's in a very heavy glass bottle. And yeah, that is beautiful. I'm really looking forward to trying this. I have so much stuff for my skin. Just gonna try a little on my hand and see what it smells like. Go. So it's a very warming scent that goes away very quickly. It smells like it's probably just some of the ingredients in there, not like a fragrance that's added to it. Excited to try that. One product left, I believe, so I'm just gonna double check. Yep. And okay, it is a Tartist Pro Glow 3 Cheek Palette, Glow Level Extreme. So here we go. It opens out like 3 ways. I'm gonna try not to drop this, except for the plastic there. And there we go. 2 blushes, 2 highlights, and 2 bronzers. So I'm excited to play around with that. Those look like some pretty colors. The last time I got Boxyluxe, the Pure palette, I believe it was, wasn't the right shade for me, but I hadn't actually filled out their quiz online. So I went and did that so that I should be getting the correct shades for my skin. And that's really good. I mean, you know what? I'm not doing a lot of eye looks lately, so face palettes are something I'm much more likely to use than an eye palette. So for me, this is actually really, really good box because it's like some neat lip glosses, some cheek stuff, a lot of like hair and skin, which for the summer is more of what I'm into. I'm not really into super heavy products in the summertime, so this is awesome. I give this like a big thumbs up. I'm very happy with this and I'm very excited to start playing with everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you got the same things in your Boxyluxe if you receive it, or which one of these things you're interested in seeing product reviews of, because I'm excited to play around with all of them. If you like this video and you got all the way through it to this point, give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet entered my 5,000 subscriber giveaway and it's before June 15th, 2019, I will put the video there so you can click on it, watch it, enter the contest, giveaway, and I look forward to seeing all of you in my next video. Bye!